Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this video we will cover the conventions for packages, whether creation or nomenclature bi'idhnillah. This will be an extremely short lecture, so I will not delay any further than this. Firstly, with regards to packages, the convention is that packages start with COM. That is the main folder, dot, and then you name your subfolders as you see fit. People use com because it refers to the name of the website of a company, for example, such as Microsoft.com. I wonder if it is .com, I do not know. Or Google.com, and so on and so forth. So the convention is that the main folder will be com dot, and then depending on the function of the package, you would name it here. For example, if the package involves utilities, you will call it util. These are conventions, of course. You do not have to abide by it. You can refer to it as utilities dot, and then if there is a sub specification for it, you would name it here, and then you would end it there. Let us say testing, for example, and that would be it for convention for naming packages, like so. So normally it starts with com. The second convention is that, as you can see here, the package names are in lowercase letter, which is a matter I despise because I prefer to organize my packages with uppercase letters. But as I said, these are conventions. You do not have to abide by them. I am merely informing you of the conventions you will see at the workplace or even in the Java library itself, of course. But these are the conventions for packages, whether you are creating a package through IntelliJ or creating a package through your preferred text editor, of course. And that is about it for this lecture. I hope this video was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.